Hey everybody, I'm Dr. Angel Storm. I'm the founder of Ashes to Beauty Ministries, and today I want to give you 4 signs that you're still suffering from narcissistic abuse syndrome. The clinical term for this is CPTSD, or complex post-traumatic stress disorder. This happens when you've lived with or been around a narcissist for a long period of time, for an extended period of time. There are certain symptoms that can set in straight away, such as trauma bond that can happen just almost immediately. However, this is the next level. This is when the abuse has been happening so long and for such an extended period of time that you are actually beginning to lose yourself. You really have no idea what you like or what you were created to do. You have no idea about who you actually are. You've been drugged through this cycle so many times. And one of the first ways to tell that you may still suffer from narcissistic abuse syndrome, or again, CPTSD, is that you almost always feel alone. This happens and is especially true for people who continue to live with a narcissist. Perhaps you're married to them, or perhaps it's a parent or a sibling that you have, and you're living with them, and it doesn't matter how many people are around you. It doesn't matter if you're sitting across the table from them at dinner or lying next to them in the bed at night, you continue to feel alone. Sign number 2 is that you don't know who you are apart from that relationship. Everything you do revolves around the relationship. Whether or not you should say yes to hanging out with your friends or going to coffee with a coworker, it revolves around the relationship. One of the classic things that narcissists do is hijack their supplies world, meaning they take over your friends, they take over your family, and isolation is one of the main goals of a narcissist, because he knows that when he has you isolated, there's less people that you can reach out to so that you can get out of that relationship and thereby unhooking yourself as his supply. The narcissist is counting on this, and he is strategically taking over parts of your world where soon you're going to have nothing left of your own self, and the entire thing revolves around the narcissist and your relationship with the narcissist. This feeling can be so hopeless. You might start feeling very, very hopeless. Perhaps you've even tried to reclaim some of those things that the narcissist took from you, or you're trying to make new connections with other people, or you're trying to set up stronger boundaries. But the more that you do this, you see that your best laid out plans have fallen, have crumbled down, and they've come to nothing. And so that even gives you more of a sense of hopelessness, like I'll never escape. This is just all that there is for me. The third sign is that you have begun to compromise your own values and standards to adjust to the narcissist, to adjust to this relationship. So you're going to find yourself doing things that you don't even agree with. You're going to find yourself just defending things, including behavior and abusive behavior, that you don't actually agree with. You don't want that to happen to yourself or to other people. You don't agree with it. And yet, in the name of love, you're going to adjust to have that relationship. And so you start to compromise on the core values that you believe in. And sign number 4 is that you feel exhausted and even worthless due to the constant on and off nature that goes along with a narcissistic relationship, and due to the name calling and other things that the narcissist does to kind of wear you down. So you feel worthless, you feel so tired and exhausted that there's just no way out. And so you just feel, again, like life is just slipping away from you. You're losing your grip on your own life, on what you want to have happen with your life. And if you're married and have children, you can see that your children are being sucked into this destructive cycle as well, leaving you further feeling hopeless and like there's no way out and there's nothing that you can do. So really pay attention to these 4 signs. I hope this video has helped educate you about what to look for. There is life after narcissism. I want to really quickly announce that I have a free course on my YouTube channel. You can visit my homepage, my home YouTube channel page, and there you're going to see a whole playlist called Life After Narcissism. This is a course that I developed off of my own experience. So while I was experiencing the narcissistic abuse as well as rebuilding my life after it, I researched everything that I could possibly find on how to do this. And the course is based off of my own experience and my own research, and I made 12 videos. There's a PDF that goes along with it. Be sure to check that out. There is life after narcissism. There is hope for you. Again, I'm Dr. Angel Storm. Be sure to subscribe to my channel below.